We'll guide you through how to crop in Davinci Resolve. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video.
Whether you are a beginner or just starting to get comfortable with the software, this guide will make cropping your clips simple and easy to follow. First, let's start by opening DaVinci Resolve. Just open the DaVinci Resolve, and after your DaVinci Resolve opens, you can just choose to create a new project or just open the pre-existing project. I'm just gonna go with the pre-existing one. Just click on it to open. And now that my project is opened and I have added a clip in my timeline. Now to access cropping tool, we need to open the tools panel and just go to the cut tab, and in the cut tab you will see this tools icon. Just click on the tools icon and your tools will appear. Now just make sure to select the crop tool from here by just clicking on it, and now your video should display white handles around the edges. These handles are the control that let you crop your video. And to crop, simply click and drag these white handles inward or outward towards the center of the video. You can adjust it from bottom like so. Just drag the handles and it will be cropped. You can drag it from the any direction and it will be cropped, and you can even make it smaller by just dragging the corner like so. Take your time to adjust each side until you have the exact portion of the video that you want to show. Cropping can be useful if you need to remove unwanted area, focus on particular subject, or even adjust the composition of the shot. Once you are happy with the cropped area, you might notice the edges of your video look sharp or abrupt. If your cropped video is going to appear on top of another video or background, you may want to smooth these edges to make the transition feel more natural. To do this, just look at the feather option in the bottom part of the crop panel. You can just add any number for feather. Let's say I want to add it as 30. I'll just type 30 and hit enter, and the feather will be successfully added. You can experiment with different feather value to see which looks best for your project.